Hi guys, this is Rasmin from Nepali NAATI CCL.com.au. Today I will be sharing about how to prepare for Nepali NAATI CCL exam from home. As you all know that NAATI CCL exam has gained lots of popularity over the years as it's easy to ace the test. NAATI is the proper translation of English to Lote, language other than English and vice versa, and not a written exam. The first thing is that you should know what exactly is NAATI CCL test. It's a 20 to 30 minutes long test wherein you will get 2 dialogue sets about 300 words. We have covered in detail about NAATI CCL test in our earlier videos. Do watch it. Nepali NAATI CCL exams preparation can be done by individual from home itself. To prepare from home, you need to read as much as possible in Nepali if that's your Lote language. Practice speaking Nepali more by watching Nepali shows in television and YouTube, because listening is the best way to practice, which can prove your clarity in Nepali speech. The more you listen, the more you feel comfortable while speaking in public. Get more ideas on topics like legal, health, community, immigration and settlement, education, social service, finance, business, central link employment, insurance and consumer affairs. These are the topics from where NAATI CCL questions can come from. So, it's advisable for you to learn as many vocabularies as possible from these topics. If you really want to crack NAATI CCL test, then develop the habit of speaking in Nepali with friends and practice everyday topics in Nepali. Do mock tests and practice vocabularies so you know your weakness and strength and work on it. Start translating English news and journals and articles in Nepali, which will shape your mind. As said, practice makes a man perfect, so the main mantra to ace Nepali NAATI is practice. Also, you can avail free resource from our website www.nepalinaaticcl.com.au and get started with Nepali NAATI CCL preparation. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to comment on the video and let us know about it. Hit the bell icon to get a notification of our new videos and subscribe to our channel. Namaste.